other one is SART. This is for 3 centimeter radar to be picked up by X-band. Yeah. It will show 12 dot blitz. But this one, when the rescue is coming to you, the radar, it means the radar is also coming near to you. This will indicate also light and sound. The good thing is, when it's coming near, the sounds becoming more and more. It's the indication that this is the rescue is coming. But this is should not be put to the water. But it can float, but it should be put as high as much as possible to the life raft or to the live boat. So it can transmit 10 miles. Actually, it says here 30 miles is the coverage, but it depends. It can also be picked up by the aircraft rescue. So the battery of this will last for 8 hours continuous use. But 96 is the standard. But continuous operation 8 hours. This one, same. There's a safety pin. Pull. Press. When you release this, it will go down. Then that's also a safety. The other one for up is for testing. When you test this, you can go up on the bridge and test. We have 2. So if you carry this, if you are going to the lifeboat, we have 1 on the lifeboat. So we have total 16 hours, 14 hours. But actually, if you know there's no coming rescue, do not turn it on it yet. You can see by visual. So just to conserve the power. So you can check. That's all.
20 seconds. Very well explained.